You see that little youth here? Me proud of him. I'm very proud of him. And here me going to tell you why I'm proud of him. From khaki uniform days, we all away come from. Remember that. Right? And this youth has done every single thing that we said we were going to do when we did in our khaki uniform. Remember how we used to say, yo, me I going to make an impact, you know. When me grow big, me I go do this, me I go do that. Me want to take over the world, me want to dominate this, me want to full up my bank account, me want to take care of mommy, me want this, me want daddy go rest himself because me I do so good in my life, I want to do this. Or at least I want to be able to take care of myself. You know what I'm saying? I want to accomplish things. Enough people still not reach that yet. This youth reach it. And I'm proud of him for the fact that he has stood the test of time so far. Enough struggles him got through as far as criticism, as far as honing his craft, as far as working hard for what he really wants and what he really believes in. I put a couple of these pictures in there with the khaki uniform because the whole of us should be able to relate. Right? When you look on the picture there. Where you come from and where you're going. Now check this out. ALKALINE shelled down Fort Lauderdale the other day, you know. Came to Florida, shelled down Florida, and I didn't hear anybody really highlight it or talk much about it. Now I was sitting back and waiting for people to do a little video upon it or say, yo, the youth are going good and this is some new song out or whatever. I didn't hear it from anybody, so I decided I want to do it myself. But I want to do it on a different level. I know we do it over here so at SouFLoTV already. We do it on a different level. Hear me out. Hear what I'm saying. I still guys, I said that no mean nothing, right? What I'm trying to do through this channel is enlighten people. Me no want no dark and no dunce over here. I want the people them who support our culture, our music to understand say it's not a war thing unless it's a lyrical war thing. Understand? I want the people them who support our culture to know say, yo, if you can support one and the other and the other and the other. You don't have to hate one in order to support the other. I will never support the crab in a barrel mentality. You have to tear your brother down or your sister down. Me have to hate Spice in order to like Lisa Hype. Me have to hate Shensia in order to like Pampute. Me have to hate ALKALINE in order to like Vibes Cartel. Me have to hate Movado and them Gully Side movement in order to like any one of the other youth them. I'm not into it. For like Popcorn and Theme movement. I'm not into it and I'm never ever going to promote it. Me know people out there are gonna say, yo, yeah, but the youth rip off Cartel style and no one give him credit and all that. I'm way past that. I'm way past that. The highest form of respect, right, and flattery is imitation. So if the man imitate Cartel to the fullest, that means him respect him to the fullest. Him respect him work ethic. Him respect his ability to be ever changing and adapting as the game change. Him respect his business savvy, the way he markets himself with controversy. Him respect everything what Cartel do, and you can tell that him not have to come out and say that. So me done with that. Right? And as far as comparing him to Cartel, I already said that. I'm going to say it again. We're done with that too. We understand the youth young and him are doing time in the game. He is not on a Vibes Cartel level. And we get that. Right? And that's what I talk about. We are giving him respect though. Because ALKALINE really are putting in the work. Look upon him. Look at him move this crowd. Right? You could see the electricity in the crowd. I don't want to play the man music because I am not entitled to play his music. I own no copyrights to his music. But somebody linked me from Florida. If you don't know, SouFLoTV is South Florida television, right? On the internet. So somebody linked me from Florida because I'm not home right now in Florida. I'm on the road traveling. And them send me some footage and from them phone because they were there and they're saying, yo dog, look. You see how the place did stay, the place jam pack and the man tear down the place, brother. Tear it down. What more can I say about that other than big up yourself, my youth, and me see the work. Remember when him couldn't really perform on stage? And some people still are saying him can't perform. I don't know about the can't perform part. He's in the crowd now. He is learning from others. He's mastered his craft. And again, Before we end this video, me end it with the picture here. Look where the youth are come from. And that's where the whole of we are come from. Remember khaki suit school uniform days? I'm out.